Sweet potato leaves have 25% of the crude protein, digestible crude protein, and it has 2,672 kilocalories per kilogram of the energy. Great new day once again, guys, and you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, as I told you in one of my previous videos, I told you that today, that's why you can see where I'm sitting. I'm sitting on sweet potato grains. I mean, sweet potato vines. I'm sorry, sweet potato vines. The reason as why I'm sitting here on sweet potato vines, it's because I want to tell you the importance of feeding the sweet potato vines to the chickens. Uh, yes, you might have access, like I know in most of the countries, especially in Africa, uh, are able to grow sweet potatoes. So this is the reason as why I decided to come up with this video so that I give you the benefits of feeding sweet potato leaves and vines to your chicken. Number one, you understand that sweet potato leaves have 25% of the crude protein, digestible crude protein, and it has 2,672 kilocalories per kilogram of the energy, of the metabolism energy. So, uh, sweet potato leaves having this percentage of 25 percentage of the protein and 2,672 kilocalories per kilogram, it becomes a viable thing, or it becomes a viable the feed for feeding to your chickens. One, you can use it both for energy and both for protein content. One, because it can improve both protein content of your feed and uh, energy of your feed, hence improving the performance of your chicken. And due to that, you can consider it to be just included to the one of your chicken feeds. And you understand when I told you at the beginning of this video that you can feed both vines and leaves, but it's not recommended to mix them because they have the different nutritional values. They have the different proportions. Because when you're feeding the sweet potato leaves, you can include it in the feed up to 10 8 to 10 percentage. But when you are going to feed vines, I I recommend you to include up to only 3% in the feed. So meaning, remember, then when you're going to feed the sweet potato leaves to your chickens, you have to again uh, feed them when they are dried up. I'm telling you this proportion in already dried matter. So meaning, uh, uh, sweet potato leaves, they also rich in vitamin C. So in vitamin C, meaning that they are able to improve the bodies of your chickens, meaning that they can boost the immunity of your chickens, in, hence preventing the chickens from falling sick each and every day. So I know you might be having the access to the sweet potato leaves or sweet potato vines, and you have been, thinking like it is not edible for poultry. Uh, it's 100% good for chickens. Yes, when you feed a lot of sweet potato vines or sweet potato leaves to your chicken, sometimes it may cause a diverse effect to your chicken. But what you have to make sure that you do is one, you should not exceed 10%. So here you will just definitely enjoy the benefits of having such a proportion in your feed. So if you're still watching this video till now, thank you so much, and don't forget to like this video if you have got something from it, and don't hesitate to click on subscribe icon. We are road to 5,000 subscribers, guys. So subscribe and tell a friend to subscribe, and don't miss out the next video where we shall be talking about the eggs and the meat, what are more profitable. So we're gonna be telling you, don't miss out that video. It wanna be so much informative and more interesting. So don't forget to subscribe and always come back to watch more. Thank you so much. See you soon in the next episode.